Welcome. In this video I will show you how to limit charging on your Dell Latitude 7410 laptop to save this device's battery. To do so, you're gonna have to open your web browser and open any search engine and then search for Dell Power Manager. This application is supposed to be available in the Microsoft Store, but for some reason I didn't find it there. So I'm gonna show you a more universal way to find this application. Open the official Dell support DELL.com website that says Dell Power Manager, and then on this website you're gonna have to find download Dell Power Manager button. Click it, then provide your service tag into this field. If you want to know how to find your service tag, you can check the video on our channel how to find the service tag, or you can just it's basically done by checking the back sides of your device. You'll find both SD, which stands for service tag, and EX, which stands for express service code. And so we just need the service tag, which is the short number. You can see it right here on the screen. It's 3D Z9M53. It's specific to my laptop, so you're gonna have to find yours. Then once you provide your service tag, select operating system from the list. In my case it's Windows 11. Click submit, and then click download to download this application. Run it, run the installer, click OK, click install, then wait for a while. Okay, click next, accept the terms to continue the process. Click next once again, install, and wait until this program is installed on your computer. This should be pretty quick. Okay, select launch the program and click finish. Now we can close this window and wait for the Power Manager to start running. And once the app starts running, if you want to simply limit your battery saving, click settings, then change to custom, and in custom select the battery level at which you want your battery to start charging, and this is below which you want your battery to start charging. And here you can select the level of your battery at which you want the battery to stop charging. So I recommend using 80 to 90%. This will save you a lot of battery life in the future as the second option. And here we can go with, for example, 70%. I think this will be a number good enough. So just set this values like this, or maybe lower if you want to, and then click OK to apply the changes. It will take some time for the changes to apply, and that's basically how you limit battery on your laptop. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.